Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is today, Sunday the 11th of September. So I'll give you a quick walk around the garden. Everything's winding down now. It's the autumn. And my delphiniums that need pruning back. I've got some aquilegias here that are suffering from some powdery mildew, so I'll prune them back. I have some beautiful scented cosmos here. Beautiful colours, absolutely gorgeous. Nice pink one there. Then we have my beautiful hollyhock there. That's because I pruned that back at the start of the year, so it's a late flowering one. This one, the ones on the front have just about finished flowering. There's a giant cosmos here. Get down here. Have some cornflowers that have finished flowering. These are some beautiful foxgloves. These are flower absolutely gorgeous next year. I think they're going to be probably a white or a cream one, those, with the colour of the leaves. Come round here. Gus the Drought. These are my begonias, and they've really suffered because of the drought. These should be absolutely massive, humongous flowers on these, but as you can see, they have really suffered. But it's okay, I can dig them up. I'll put them in the greenhouse. I'll put them under some lights, get them to thicken up, and then I can take some cuttings off those. This one here, definitely, that one, and this one. I've got the name of them both. The name tag should be in here, underneath all this. This one is Mrs. McLaughlin, I think that one is, and then there's one down here. Check out for the name tag full, but I shall find it. And this is the bed that poppies were in. I've got this herb here. I got that from when I had an allotment a few years ago, and as soon as you get this in your borders, I've got the name of it now. It makes really good liquid feed. It's full of nitrogen, but as soon as you get it in your borders, it just spread, and it's really hard to get rid of. So I wouldn't recommend having that. If I was to do it again, there's no way I would plant that in here again. But this is going to get all dug over probably next week, and I'll make a video about it, and I'm going to sow 4 rows of poppies or 5 rows of poppies in here for next year. So I'm going to take all this up, dig it all over, and so I'm right up to the greenhouse there. I'm going to fit another window into the greenhouse. As you can see there, everything's dead in there. Not been in there for a long time. They've dried up over the summer and died. Nothing to worry about. As you come round here, this is one of the last poppy plants left. Oh, you can hear that. And then at the back here, these are some cuttings that I took a couple of years ago, and they've grown really, really well. Next to them are some delphiniums that are getting ready for flowering. That's the second flower off those this year, but this has also suffered really, really badly with the drought we've had. I've been saving money, not watering things because I'm on a water meter. But some stuff's starting to come back nice because we've had some rain over the last week or so. Nice weed there. Beautiful penstemon there. They were grown from seed a couple of years ago. And then this is one of my favourite dahlias, this beautiful yellow colour dahlia. Absolutely gorgeous. So vibrant. Next to those we have echinacea. These have also been grown from seed. 2 lots. This one here. And a purple one there. And we come down here. As I said, everything's winding down now. This has definitely got powdery mildew on it. That definitely needs digging up. We come round here. That's about it. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.